Here are some worksheets for primary kids. These are rhyming matching and that is brain boosting activity, kind of coding activity like 5 for yellow, 1 for blue type. That is the picture of full worksheet, and that is color the object on your right and tick the object on your left. Okay, count number of sides of shape, put tick the longest and dot for the shortest, put tick for the longest and dot for the shortest, cross the odd one, circle the incorrect alphabet, circle the adjective, find adjective, look and circle the correct word, find the rhyming word and draw line across them. And that is tick the tallest thing, name the picture, jumble word, circle the word that not rhyming, odd one out, missing alphabet and digit. Tam like jam, this is kind of unseen passage, that is to a type of unseen passage. That is color the left green and right red, color the left red and right green. That is the basically for the concept of left and right. We should eat plenty of water, tick the healthy food, we should brush the teeth twice, fill in the blanks. Milk is a complete food, we should take a bath daily, oil and comb your hair daily, we should eat fresh food, wash your hand before and after having meal, we should cover your mouth while sneezing, do exercise daily, always wear clean clothes, exercise make us fit and healthy. That is Hindi worksheet. Okay, balloon, kite and windmill need air to move, and that is vowel and phonics worksheet. Picture writing, gas, wave, well, map, seed, doll, dam. That also picture. Write the spelling, L for long, S for short, B for big, S for small, balloon, kite, hat, mango, fish, net, clock, umbrella, butterfly, star. That is arrange in alphabetical order. Cite word sentences. I see the yellow sun, Tom has a little dog, I like to swim, the girl is funny, I can make a sand castle, my ball is the color red, we like to play outside, and that is man, mad man, cat, cap, can, dam, dan, dim. That is cap, can, car, bat, box, boy, tin, toy, tab, hit, hand, bug, big bag, top, tap, tip, jet, jam, jug. That is picture writing, flag, owl, hand, igloo, ladybug, lion, kettle, monkey, octopus, rabbit, snake, turtle, arrow, snail, pen, pencil, heart, kite, girl, nest. That is name game, apple, ball, star, bat, tree, ant, car, egg, glass, cup, gun, eye, balloon, bird, leaf, lollipop, rain, rainbow, butterfly, flower. That is also drum, duck, dog, egg, earth, ice, flower, fish, fox, gun, gift, grapes, kite, key, kettle, leaf, lock, lemon. That is matching bird, butterfly, angel, aeroplane, balloon, banana, crab, chocolate, dolphin. That is circle the correct rhyming word. That is match the rhyming word. That is unseen passage, clock. No, this is about clock. This is a clock. The clock have 12 number. The clock have 3 moving hand. One tell hours, one tell minutes, and one tell second. Clock tell us time. Clock maintain our life. So as a student, all of us, we should know how to use a clock. That is matching of adjective, sunny, happy, rainy, fat, tall. Yash, yarn, window, Xmas-tree, zip. Write two adjectives to describe each picture. Picture: creamy, chocolatey, green, tall, bad, scary, blue, shiny. Is on in. A family goes on a trip. A helicopter flies in the air. The sun is hot. We see cows in a farm. This is unseen passage. About Zap, pet. That is also unseen passage. Again, unseen passage. A cat and a rat. A hot pot. This is also an example of unseen passage. Again, the unseen passage. The bug. Jumble matching. Is MR. Color the rhyming word. CVC word rhyming. Verb. Write two noun in each group. Right or wrong. Adjective. Gender. Singular, plural. AN. That is MR. That is again unseen passage. Three little kitten. That unseen passage, unseen passage, unseen passage, unseen passage, unseen passage. Fill in the blanks. What can you wear? What can we write with? What can you eat? What can you pet? What can you drink out of? What can we see the zoo? Again unseen passage. My cat is funny. Her name is Fluffy. She likes to play with yarn. Fluffy also sleeps a lot. I think Fluffy is very cute. Again, fill in the blanks. Unseen passage. The owl. Picture with dots. Color the sound. Matching. Write the between. Matching. Pattern matching. He, she. Verb. Was, were. Complete the sentence with the word from below. Matching. Fill in the blanks. Name the animal that jump, name the animal that run, name the animal that fly, name the animal that swim, name the animal that crawl. Vegetable puzzle. Potato, pumpkin, brinjal, tomato, pea, capsicum, carrot, etc. That is, it is a quail. I like teddy bear. Monkey like to eat banana. It is a lion. Elephant has a long trunk. It is a helicopter. He is a firefighter. It is a zoo. I am thinking a question. Koala is sitting on tree. He is having a rose. I am making a snowman. Oh, I have a lamp. It is a bus. It is a volcano. It is a xylophone. Oh, my voice is broken. Daddy pig holding a flag. Santa is coming on Christmas. Whale is swimming in the water. She is sitting on wheelchair. I see the glass. It is an ambulance. I like to eat fruit. I am holding a dinosaur. The aeroplane is air transport. The aeroplane is air transport. It is a 4 o'clock.